Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes.
What? My Little Pony, color by magic.
So
Let's get renovating.
that's the home screen, and click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. New, click to the numbers 7572, and new you can find the settings and info section. You can find the music button, and if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned gray, you just turned off the music. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.